What's up, everyone? Just a quick MeshCore update video for you, as MeshCore is gaining a lot of traction here across East Tennessee. At the end of the last video, I asked for your help in deploying MeshCore from Chattanooga up towards Knoxville. And here's what the map looked like back before I did that video, and here's what it looks like now. So as you can see, y'all are most definitely delivering, and we've seen a significant amount of progress in only a little over a month. But it doesn't stop there. There's been a ton of interest not only in the area from Chattanooga up to Knoxville that I mentioned in the previous video, but even interest from users in other states like North Carolina, where a Discord user who goes by Walks in Darkness and John N4NNX, they work to test and deploy MeshCore repeater up on Mount Mitchell, which, if you're unfamiliar, Mount Mitchell is the highest mountain peak east of the Mississippi River at an altitude of 6,684 feet. So having a MeshCore repeater up there is huge, and they're already linked up to Tennessee via the Bobcat repeater, which sits between Tazewell and Morristown, which is a single hop of about 75 miles. John also reports that the Mount Mitchell repeater is also picking up Southwest Virginia via a repeater up on Brumley Mountain. Things are just getting started though, and there's some really great deployments planned throughout the region. A Discord user who goes by Big Duke deployed a MeshCore repeater up on Look Rock, which is a huge benefit to my former neck of the woods around Blount, Knox, and Loudoun counties. He also deployed a MeshCore repeater up on Cove Mountain that same day. He's not finished yet though, and has planned several deployments across the Great Smoky Mountains that the community is looking forward to. Also need to shout out Will West, KO4WIL, who's been coordinating major deployments with solid coverage of counties like Knox, Blount, Sevier, Loudoun, and more. And down in my new neck of the woods, Tennessee Technology Solutions reached out with mountaintop tower access on Oswald Dome that covers parts of McMinn, Polk, Bradley, Hamilton, and Meigs counties, which will be a game changer for our area down here. So we're donating a unit for that location. If you live in a mountaintop location or also have access to a tower in a great location, be sure to reach out, and if it's a good enough area, we're happy to provide a solar-powered MeshCore repeater to deploy there to help spread MeshCore access throughout the area. And we also have Thomas Massengale, KD4STT, who's helped deploy a number of nodes around Athens and one at a great location in Tellico Plains, which is helping connect us north to a node that Phil, KO4JRJ, and I deployed in Vonore recently. It's really been a huge community effort though, with many people across the area helping to expand the MeshCore network here. Along with the repeater deployments, I've been busy setting up a website, which is now live at 10mesh.com. So be sure to check that out when you get a chance. Also, since producing videos takes a good bit of time, we also now have an email list that you can sign up for to get updates before they hit YouTube. And a link to that will be in the video description below. Also, I was inspired by some of the meshes I reached out to in the previous video, like Cascadia Mesh and West Coast Mesh, who have live feeds running on their Discord servers. So I've went ahead and set up our own live feeds as well for the Comms channel Discord and Telegram, which can be handy for testing and seeing how far your messages are reaching, as well as how many hops messages take to get there. We currently have a live feed from McMinn County that I'm providing, but also want to shout out Sky King is Epic, who's providing a live feed from Hawkins County, One Opus, who's providing a live feed from West Knoxville, KO4WIL, who's providing a live feed from Granger County, and also Uncle Lit, who you may remember from the last video, who's providing a live feed from downtown Nashville. Now, based on all the messages, emails, and comments, I know many of you are eager to get into the MeshCore network, so we'll have an upcoming video series on MeshCore called MeshCore Quick Start, and that'll cover all the basics on the recommended devices, how to flash MeshCore to them, how to use the apps and deploy repeaters, and more. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss out on that. That'll do it for this quick update video though, but stay tuned for the upcoming series along with part 2 of Meshtastic vs. MeshCore. Hope to see you there. Thank y'all and have a good one.